Hey, you gotta wait. You gotta close the windows, the mirrors. They fit?
Yeah, they fit.
Man, this thing's huge. Here it is. We got a full warehouse. It is Monday. Check this out. So this is my signature position right here. This is how I start my videos. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 cars and just new calipers for this week. And we got a lot of other cars waiting in line to get their wheels and brake calipers done. We got a lot of great projects. Come on in. Let me show you exactly what's going to be happening and how we're going to put our custom RTP touch. Alright, Alberto, the man of all trades. Alright, so this is a wheel coming in from Atlanta Custom Wraps. This is for their new C8 that we're working on. Let's see what color we're doing on it. Alberto, you got the sticker?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Here it is, Atlanta Custom Wraps. We got 20-inch forged wheels. We're doing a custom finish. So the finish has not been revealed just yet. You guys stay tuned as we walk you through the color matching process, the stripping down, and most importantly, the finished product as it comes off the production line. Man, that's a big wheel. Look at that. Hey Brandon, what finish are we doing on these wheels?
What wheels?
For Atlanta Custom Wraps?
I don't know.
All right. Man, Leo, the man that I need. Hey, what color are we doing on these wheels?
Which wheels?
For Atlanta Custom Wraps.
Oh, I don't know, man.
Where's Felipe?
Maybe back there.
Felipe! Hey, Hunter,
Yes, sir.
what color are we doing on these wheels?
Not quite sure.
Where's Felipe? Felipe, there you are. Dude, I need your help. Come with me, please.
Where's it go?
So, Atlanta Custom Wraps, Justin, he sent us his personal wheels for a C8, all right? And here on this ticket, it says we're doing a custom finish. So what exactly are we doing?
He's looking to do candy red.
Okay,
Candy red as the Porsche.
so any specific candy red? Is he wanting it like light? Because I see them like they're currently polished with a brushed finish on them.
Yeah.
Is he wanting them to be like lightly candy red, or does he want like a deep?
Like a deep candy red.
Okay, so what exactly are you gonna do?
What we're gonna do is gonna do like a hyper base
Okay,
with the tinted clear. That's gonna make it really bright.
Okay.
Like an orange effect.
so it's gonna give it that fiery look once the sun hits it.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right.
Yeah.
Finally. So next time, on this label right here, instead of putting custom, we got to put
we
candy
need,
red.
Yeah, we need to do the right information. You know, nobody knows.
You're right, man. That's why I had to jump from one teammate to the next until I was able to find you and be able to finally reveal the finish that we're going to be doing on these wheels for Justin from Atlanta Custom Wraps on his brand new C8s. Another great project in the house.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna
Yes,
make it
sir.
pretty.
All right. Well, I'm ready to see the process. Where are they at right now?
They're on the stripping.
So they're currently getting blasted?
Yeah.
All right. Let me see what you got. And Juan, when you take it, put it back here sideways. Nice, freshly clear coated.
Yes, sir.
What finish are we doing on this?
This is called Milano Red.
Milano red. Nice. Delivery day on these forged wheels. Check out the end result. How beautiful they look. Let's see how they look outside. This one.
Okay. Look at that.
Nice.
Can't
Wow.
beat that shine.
Looks like a fireball.
I know. That candy red. That's why we love it so much. Man, that cab looks awesome. These guys are gonna love them.
Money shot. So the truck is loaded, ready to rock and roll. The wheels are pretty snug in there. Now we're heading to Atlanta Custom Wraps. Let's go. Let's go. Here's their building. They don't even have a sign outside because they don't need it. They got these vehicles to showcase that everybody actually knows online. This is Atlanta Custom Wraps. It belongs to them. From this F350 to the McLarens, GTRs. That's how it is. You guys ready? Let's go in there and see what they got. So this is the C8 right here. Nice, getting that gold wrap. What color did it come in?
The car was black originally.
Okay.
This belongs to one of Atlanta's rappers. Yeah, he picked gold. It's got red stitching on the seats.
Okay.
And all of his other vehicles are red with gold accents. So this one was kind of a flip-flop.
Okay.
To his other vehicles. So.
Wow, that's gonna be beautiful.
It is.
When is it gonna be completed?
Today.
Oh, today. All right. And you think the wheels are gonna go on today?
Probably first thing tomorrow.
Okay. I am back to Atlanta Custom Wraps. Today is the reveal day for this beautiful C8. So earlier in the video, I assumed that those were going on Justin's personal car, but they're not. Those are his personal wheels that he actually sold to one of his customers. And today we are revealing the end result on this unbelievable C8. They did a phenomenal job on the wrap, and we complemented it with our candy red finish on the wheels. Are you guys ready to see this? I'm excited. Yes, it's raining outside, but nothing stops us. Let's go check it out. How you guys doing?
All by myself. We're good, man.
That's the famous King, huh?
Yeah, producing
Wow.
King's Landing Kennel.
Beautiful eyes.
Big boy.
I think as business owners, we all go through those times where we give up quality of life to make something a little more successful for a moment.
Because it's our dream, though. You know,
That's right.
that's the
That's
thing.
right.
Other people around us might not see it. They might not understand why we're doing what we're doing. But
Yeah.
deep inside, we have a purpose for it,
And a vision.
and we have this burn
Yep.
that we have to satisfy somehow, right?
Absolutely. And just like a drug, when you do a little bit of it and you enjoy it, you want to do more.
Yeah, exactly.
So with us, it never stops. You know, people ask me like, you know, when will you be satisfied to a point where like you're done? Never.
Hey, what finish are we doing on these wheels?
Which wheels?
For Atlanta Custom Wraps?
I believe candy red.
Son of a gun, you telling me I don't know. No,
Okay.